So you want to know what is in the X39 patch? Well, let me tell you. It contains organically based, optically active mixtures of L-amino acids and D sugars in crystallized form. And these stereoisomers are nano-sized and non-transdermal. I think that is enough of the technical stuff. All it does is absorb the body's own infrared light and reflect it back to the skin at certain wavelengths, enhancing the natural processes within your body. It is the same principle as sunlight on your skin, when the ultraviolet light triggers natural processes to manufacture vitamin D. So how wonderful to have a health product that does not put foreign substances into your body, but only put the natural processes of your own body to work. For more detailed info about the patch, as well as testimonies from users and doctors, check out thisisit.info.com or contact me on dorothy.lightpatch@gmail.com or go to the website lifewave.com/Dorothy Leroux to purchase the patches or to join and become a brand partner. I'll drop all the links in the description.